This is the 4-ton Porta Power from Harbor Freight, and it can be used for a ton of things in Autobody. So let me get it out of here and show you how it works. For the most common applications, you're going to use it as a pushing tool. This would be pressed against something and you would push with this. You turn this knob here and you can push dents out, frames, all that kind of stuff. And then it comes with some various tips. This is the one we just had on there. And you got this guy, a little bit pointy. This guy. This one. And then this one. I'll show you what this does later. In addition to the tips, you have extensions. There's 2 long ones, medium, gets smaller and smaller. To switch from this tool, the ram, to like a wedge type mouth that opens up. This end opens up in case you might need that to open something up or pry. You just stick this in there and tighten this down. And then close the valve and you got that kind of action. When you're finished with the tools, they come with a cap that screws in there and keeps the ends clean. The end of the hose or line has a cap also to keep it clean. Finally, one of the most useful attachments is this guy right here. Has some threads on it. Unscrew that. Put the teeth facing the bottom. We'll put him on real quick. Just leave him like that. And this guy goes on. And now, these are going to come apart like that in case you need to pry something open or use that type of action. The Porta Power is one of those tools you just have to have if you're going to do collision work or any type of body work. And this guy from Harbor Freight works just fine. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the use of the Porta Power, what it is, and how it can be used. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.